Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how to enable share screen on your Discord mobile application. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Discord mobile application as I am doing. And finally, once you are on your Discord, if you want to enable share screen on your Discord mobile with someone alone or like one or two people, then you'll have to call them personally, either video call or call, and then there is going to be a arrow button that pops up that you can click. Or if you are on a Discord server like this one right here, you'll have to join a voice channel, any voice channel. And then once you have joined the voice channel, you can simply tap on the arrow which is gonna show up as I'm gonna show you. Wait a second. So once I join this voice channel, I'll simply just show you the arrow. As you all saw, I showed you the phone with the little arrow icon. That is what you want to tap on, and you can simply share your screen. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.